Hey Hoover, I bet I can collect more dust and dirt than you. Do you not get ill from all that stuff that goes up your tube?
No.
Really? Oh, because I get dunked in lovely warm water.
For you, I get fed with dust and dirt every day.
Oh yeah, but does that not make you feel like bleh?
No.
Really?
What are you talking about, buddy? It tastes nice. You're just jealous.
That tastes like oh man. Oh. What's that? What was that?
I don't know, what is it?
I heard something.
That's cool.
I heard feet. I heard feet! And they're coming towards the cupboard. Yes! 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 I'm gonna be used! Yes, and you're not.
That's cool. I'll let you stay for the rest of the house.
No. Oh, you wish, don't you? You wish.
No, you're only useful for hard floor. Most of the floors in this house are hard. Probably don't even get out of the kitchen.
Just you wait. Just you wait.
I'm just jealous.
Oh. They're coming. Oh. Is it me? Is it you? Yes, it's me.
You missed this floor.
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
No.
You missed another floor.
No, I did not, man.
You missed another books.
Well, I'll tell you what. If you think you're so clever and you're so amazing, right? Why don't you get out there and do a better job than I can? 'Cause I bet you can't.
I'll fix the car.
No, I don't think you could. Didn't think you could. Nah.
Okay. I think you can. Yeah, I think this can definitely be developed further.
Right.
For instance, as an audience member, I was not aware that the owner had opened the cupboard door, that the owner had taken you out to start working with you, Will.
Right.
So I think that needs to be a little bit more explicit. You could both look, you could decide where the door of the cupboard was going to be. You could both look in the same direction at the same time to infer that you've heard the door opening. So this is where you bring your mime skills in as well. I think it's very important that you present something that's a little bit more coordinated, because through mime and your facial expression as well, you can sort of develop this scenario a little bit more. I think there's more you could do with it.
Oh yeah.
You're in conflict as soon as the improvisation starts, and therefore it's quite difficult. I think it's quite challenging for you to move it in another direction. So maybe think about how you start the scenario itself. Maybe you're just waking up, maybe it's first thing in the morning and you're just coming round. I think you also need to have your points which you both gripe about. I mean, Kelly, maybe it's an issue for you that you always have to be plugged in and you just wish you were an independent free spirit like the mop, but you don't want to let that on to him. So it's thinking about the thing that you're characterising and thinking about what their issues are going to be and how they live and exist from day to day. Okay?
Yeah.
Have a little chat.